Now see one more example. A main program is given. Inside main a for loop is given which will iterate 1 to root 10 times. Okay, and second for loop j will iterate 1 to n power 10 upon 25 times, and one more for loop, the k value will iterate n power 7 by 100 times. So this for loop will run how many times? Root 10 times. Okay, I will iterate up to root 10 times. Okay, and this for loop will go how many times? N power 10 by 25 times, and this for loop will run n power 7 by 100 times. So if you see the overall time complexity of this program, overall time complexity, how much? Big O of n power 1 by 2 plus 10 by 25 plus 7 by 100. So if you take the LCM and solve, so that will come out big O of n power 97 by 100. Okay, so this is the time complexity of this program. Now see second example. Okay, so a main program is given. Inside main I is initialized and a for loop is given which will iterate 1 to n times, second for loop 1 to n square times, and third for loop 1 to n cube times. Okay, so let's see. As you can see, in all the for loops there is only one variable which is I. So as you can see, this for loop will run how many times? There's a logic, it will run only one times. Okay, and the second for loop run how many times? It will also runs one times. Okay, and the third for loop will run how many times? 1 to n cube times. So it will run n cube times. So the time complexity of this program is how much? Big O of n cube. Okay, see next example. Okay, so a program is given. Inside main I is initialized, a for loop is given. Inside for one more for loop is given. Inside for loop one more for loop is given. Now you see, in first for loop it will iterate 1 to n times, second for loop 1 to n power 4 times, third for loop it will iterate 1 to n cube times. So as you can see, this for loop will iterate how many times? 1 times, but there's a logic. Okay, it will go n power 4 times. Okay, but when I is, it will iterate n cube times. Okay, but when I is incremented n cube plus 1, then again I is initialized with 2, so that will go into a loop. So basically the program will not terminate. So it is, so we can say it is a infinite loop. Okay, infinite loop. Why? Because when this for loop is run, it will iterate 1 to n cube times. When it will come out from this for loop, so again I is initialized with what? I is 2 again, so that will stuck in this for loop. Okay, so this will run forever. So we can say it is not an algo because it will not terminate in a finite amount of time. Okay, thank you.